In this video, we will learn 5 shortcut key of Excel sheet. So let's start. This is the first shortcut key, control plus F1, hide and show tab. In Excel sheet, these are the tab: home, insert, page layout, formula. If you press the control plus F1, the tab will be hide. Tab that is all will be hide. Okay. If you again press control plus F1, the tab will show. Control plus F1, hide, Control plus F1 to show the tab group. Next, Control plus F2. If you press Control plus F2, the print preview is open. You can change the setting here and you can click on this print option. Third shortcut key, Control plus F3. If you press Control plus F3, Name Manager dialog box is open. Here you can create the new name manager. If I click on the new, I just create the shortcut key. Shortcut, I just enter the shortcut. I just select the area and click on OK. And if you see here, click on the name box. The name drop down list, you see here your name. I just click on the shortcut, the area will select it. So hope you understand. Fourth shortcut key, just click on the fourth sheet. Control plus F4 to close window. If I press the Control plus F4, here you say if you want to save this file, you can click on the save. If you don't want to save, and click on the don't save. Next, Control plus F5, restore the window size. Control plus F5. Here you can see the window size will be changed. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like these, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.